Welcome to the video of Polaris Machinery Company. We are a leading and professional international trader of construction machinery in China. We offer high-quality new and used machines, including dozens of brands of excavators, loaders, rollers, cranes, graders, concrete pump trucks, and so on. We provide China export one-stop service, including land transportation, cleaning, maintenance, painting, renovation, port collection, customs declaration. Welcome to visit my company.